Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to approach aggressive driving in Assetto Corsa. This isn't about reckless behavior, but rather about mastering the art of pushing your car and the track limits to their absolute maximum. We'll explore techniques that allow you to shave off crucial tenths of a second from your lap times, transforming your driving style into something truly dynamic and competitive. Get ready to elevate your sim racing game to one new level of intensity and precision. To truly cut up the track, mastering aggressive cornering is essential. This involves braking much later than usual, often deep into the corner, and using trail braking to rotate the car effectively. Aim to hit the apex precisely, allowing you to get on the throttle earlier and carry significant speed out of the turn. This technique demands excellent pedal control and a deep understanding of your car's weight transfer dynamics. Practice these entries and exits to gain one competitive edge. Pushing track limits is a key aspect of aggressive driving. This means using every available inch of asphalt, including the very edges and sometimes even the curbs, to straighten out corners and maintain higher speeds. Be mindful of the game's penalty system. Exceeding limits too much will result in time penalties. Learn where you can safely place two wheels off the track without invalidating your lap. This precise placement can gain you several tenths per lap. Consistent practice is paramount for integrating these aggressive techniques into your driving. Spend dedicated time on your favorite tracks, focusing on one corner at a time until you master its aggressive line. Utilize Assetto Corsa's extensive telemetry tools to analyze your braking points, throttle application, and steering inputs. Adjust your car's setup, perhaps with slightly stiffer suspension or more aggressive camber, to better suit your high-speed, high-grip approach. Aim for repeatable, fast laps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.